So now, please welcome Freelander Design Hub Director, Phil Simmons.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Phil Simmons, Design Director of the Freelander Design Hub, based here in this amazing city, Pudong, Shanghai. And it's in this super modern environment we chose to locate the Freelander Design Hub, where our world-class Freelander design team, composed of a wide array of disciplines, is creating a whole new range of Freelander vehicles, bringing British design values and heritage together with Chinese technology and innovation. And I'm delighted that many of our designers are here tonight. You're somewhere there. So, good to see you. So this is Freelander Concept 97. As you can see, Freelander's exterior really stands out in a converging design landscape with its bold individuality. This reimagined Freelander disrupts convention, where larger vehicles often lean towards seriousness and smaller cars are associated with a level of playfulness. Freelander challenges traditional expectations and flips the narrative with joyful graphics, striking surfaces, and a characterful presence. Designed for the urban outdoors, Concept 97 retains off-road spirit while embracing city life, celebrating freedom, individuality, and joy. Concept 97 has a distinctive deltoid shoulder treatment. These muscular contours echo the original 1997 Freelander, giving a powerful and athletic stance. Surfaces are intentionally three-dimensional, rather than simply being flush. Deep, tactile word marks are debossed into bodywork as bold symbols of pride. The original triangular side window evolves into a brand signature, appearing across lamps, side step surfaces, and patterns. Front lamps intersect for unexpected drama. Rear lamps feature surrounding voids for character. And the animated brand graphic on both front and rear lamps highlights Freelander's joyful character. Protective elements like add-on wheel arches and lower body claddings add purpose and personality, giving the vehicle a bold off-road look. Side steps are fully integrated into the main lower cladding. But this strong, characterful exterior is just the beginning of the story. Concept 97's interior is where Freelander really comes alive. And to talk you through the interior, I'm delighted to introduce to you Bart de Graaf, Chief Designer, Freelander Interiors. Bart.
Thank you, Phil. Good evening, Shanghai. It is my pleasure to introduce to you the interior of Concept 97. The design of Freelander's interior is joyfully unexpected. It is an immersive environment that balances strength and softness. This creates a space that feels protective, characterful, and inviting. Its forms are brought to life through expressive color, unexpected material pairings, and characterful color-shift textiles. A space full of character. Concept 97 features bold, sculpted shapes, rounded edges, and strong architectural lines. This conveys a sense of robustness and reassurance, and links the interior and the exterior in a shared design language. Soft forms and deep cushioning are beautifully wrapped over solid, precise elements, creating a sense of protection and comfort. Simple, contemporary furniture is complemented by characterful, geometric details and retention straps on the storage areas. In the back, an enveloping wraparound padding extends into the third row, transforming the space into a joyful, lounge-like environment, designed for long journeys and moments of pause. Digital sophistication is balanced with tactile material expression. An expansive, low dashboard elevates the experience of being in the cabin, enhancing visibility, space, and comfort. This is paired with an impressive and immersive end-to-end digital display, and crystal rotary controls and steering wheel light finishes featuring an unexpected depth of finish and detailing. Symbolism is elevated throughout the interior, with the new brand symbol being celebrated in embroidery, debossed details, and crafted elements, such as the metalwork across the seats, the seat belts, and the pedals. This creates a cohesive visual identity that feels both joyful and contemporary. And to talk you through the materiality across the vehicle, I'm delighted to introduce you to Brioni Crittenden, Chief Designer, Freelander, Materiality. Brioni.
Good evening, everybody. Concept Concept 97 brings to life a celebration of freedom, joy, and expressive materiality, infused with unexpected moments that build character and emotional connection across every touch point. The colour and material palettes give Freelander a fresh, modern take on its storied past, mixing vibrant colours, conscious materials, joyful crafted details, and elevated brand symbolism. Expressive colour shift is used across paints and textiles, linking to Freelander's provenance in a contemporary way. Brought to life through vibrant and confident colours like expressive blue and joyful green. Both colours exude boundless character and bring the exterior form of Concept 97 to life, while hinting at our future colour palettes. Concept 97's interior palette explores colour through layered contrast and harmony. Unexpected material and colour pairings feel both new and familiar, giving a sense of Freelander's progressive future. Conscious material pairings are created using bio-based, adaptive, coated materials, recyclable, technical textiles, and aluminium finishes. Joyful crafted elements throughout the vehicle reflect the brand's unique character, with symbolism celebrated in refined details and embellishments. We have set the symbol free through the movement of the crafted line work on the seat embroidery. A bold, joyful approach to colour and materials opens up new possibilities, creating experiences that feel intuitive and human. Colour, craft, materials, and technology blend in a seamless dialogue, shaping how people connect with the Freelander world. I would now like to invite Phil and Bart back onto the stage.
Thanks to the entire Freelander team and the supporting team members in both Cherry and JLR for all your excellent work in getting us to this stage. It's been a great example of collaboration across multiple teams. You should all be very proud of what we've achieved together so far. Thank you.